So, tayo ngayon ay... Teka lang ah. Sabi ko kasi Madyas eh. TV Sprint. Ay, ito pala, TV Sprint. Ayan na. Alis tayo dito. Punta tayo dito. Hello, as an old Roblox player, I'm gonna explain then this word. This is targeted towards the person, but it feels scary too. So then this world is a mascot horror game. Roblox game on Roblox, created by Killen and Rox. Rox got fired for grooming kids on Discord. Then this world received an iCore sana sasabihin ko. iCore infection. What's iCore? You ask? This is iCore. Now let's focus on this game topic. Then this world has starter. Has two starter characters for when you start, Buxton and Poppy. Hindi nyo alam yun? Then this world, you can go to inside an elevator in the lobby and go on endless floors. That's right. There's exists floor 1 to floor any number, which is parang into infinite yung floors niya. What are the floors, you might ask you? It's where you extract little machines. I'll draw it from memory. So ito yung little machines na sinasabi nila. So ito yung icon na nakalagay na parang sa ewan-ewan. This helps you progress through the game. They start out 4 and more as you go on. But don't you think you can just spin the red wheel? Fill the machine with iCore and be on your memory way. This called there are things this called skill check. No, these are not pregnancy tests. So, kailangan ko ata magmadali ng dito ng pagbasa dito dahil lobat na ako. If you hit orange, yellow, gold, whatever you fill it up more. If you fail, a twisted will come to your location. Don't ask what twisted are just yet. So, yung mga twisted, parang na-infected na ng iCore. Kagaya nung ginawa natin last time, naalala niyo yan? Punta tayo sa YouTube. This dyan. Ay, Poppy Playtime yan ah. Ay, sorry. Pakamano ako doon ah. Oy, skibidi toilet. Oh, skibidi down. Yes. Yung ito. Ayan ah.
Ayun, sumatid pa kayo.
Pero hindi ito yon kasi Gat. So, hi everyone. So, ayan, nag-i-English speaking ako dyan ah. Ako yan ah. Ayan yung iCore. Oh my goodness. So, yan yung mga twisted na sinasabi nila. So, ayun, kita nyo. Kita nyo. Patalawa to. Patalawa to. Oh my goodness, what happened? Ano nangyari sa screen ko? Nahack na ako. Wala na. Ayan, yung mga twisted. So, ito ay twisted. Wait lang. Twisted. Si Mr. 3, pangit, twisted din yan. At si Clocker, nakikita nyo naman dito. Ayan, twisted din siya. Twisted. At medyo magiging twisted na. Mahilig talaga kasi ako sa Bigo Mouse. Para isang bite lang naman. Potiki na muna ako. Free time, yay! Balik na tayo sa binabasa natin na parang library ng Bible ng Chinese word. But word. Sige, nakahiga tayo. Wait lang. Ayan. As we will get into the topic next. The more stars on your tone skills, the bigger the skills check will be, and give you a higher percent of finishing a machine. If you have a tone with what the heck happened? No, 9 na lang ako. So, Wilson mo, bumalik ka na, bumalik. Ay, putik. Masyadong bumalik. Lapit na ba tayo? Hindi, ang dami pa natin babasahin, no? Sige, sasunod na natin ito basahin, no? Hindi, joke lang. Babasahin natin. The monster. If you have a tune with 1 or 2 skills on stars on skill check tone, I recommend using them for machines. Tones will another bit topic. So let's get to items. Item for floors. Even though you have a really good tone, doesn't need them. I won't go every item, but I'll go once that I will. Medkit. This will restore 2 hearts. The reason it isn't 3 is that you die when all your 3 or 2 are main hearts gone. Manage. This will restore a single heart. The weird purple guy from Vanap. I forgot what to do. Smoke bomb help. Will turn you into invisible or stun. I twisted so they can see you for 3 seconds. Airhorn will let you to twist your location. Do not pick it up. Speed Kenny makes you fast for 3 seconds. No. For some amount of time. I don't know. Restore sentiment by regeneration by 20% or bigger. I can't remember. Protein bar pala. Skill check. Skill check candy. Increases skill check window size. Gumball, give you a randomized effect for 10 seconds. 3 out of 3 uses chocolate variety. Something about restoring Santima. Blushy bar. Blushy bat. Twisted will have 3 extra cooldown after attacking. Only can be claimed by joining Fishing rod will give you 3 random items of the game only. Friendship bracelet, player friendship bracelet will give you 5 centima for each player in your game. Screen set gives you 3 uncommon tire on the front. Fancy purse gives you 100 tapes of at the start of the game. Oh no! Isa lang yung nabawas. Speaking of tapes, ayan. Ito si Dandy. Si Dandy. Kung sino yung nag-twisted ata sa kanilang lahat. Sige. Tapes are the second currency in game, but not in the lobby or even numbered on the floor. Then this shop will appear. You're able to choose 3 options. 3 options randomized items. Some only cost 100, others cost 100 tapes. If you don't buy, let's just say you're in the world wide. Daddy's eyes will slowly have red dots appear in his eyes if you don't buy. Hindi ako bumibili, ba't hindi ko nakita? Toon and Twisted. Yes. There are currently 21 toons so far, with 1 more in the way. There's the main toons and regular toons. Let's talk about regular toons. Here are the old normal playable. Dandy is only playable to the stock toons. Look them up if you wanna know their design. Scraps, Groove, Russell and Dazzle, Roger, Brightney, Tudors, Finn, Cosmo, Glisten, Fludder, Tisha, Poppy, Buxton, Shrimpo, Tegan, and Gigi, at saka si Connor. Connor is the tune on the way. If I forgot any. Number 6 cell. Still check movement. Standira. Ano yung sarabi ko? Stealth and extraction speed. Shrimpo has only 1 on every skills check. Command speed, Santima, stealth and reduction speed. Besides stealth, so I do not recommend him. Buxton is recommend for extraction. Poppy is slightly worse, but she still works. All toons have 15 stars total besides Shrimpo and Dandy. But if it's a main tool, it will have an extra stat in Kini pool. Oh, what is that? There is a limit of 5 stars. This 1 star throw. 1 for worst, 5 for best. The most stars in skill check, the bigger the skill check in size success chance will be. More stars mo when Kaya lang magbasa, tinatamad na ako. Kanina pa ako nagbabasa dito. Parang nagbabasa ako ng driver. I keep yapping so have a break and I want to explain it. Next one, currently taking a break. Yay! Subscribe. Yay! Free! Ay, tatay. Yes. Free ba talaga? Kaya na ano nyo ako free nga.
Ay!
Ba't second tape na?
Ano sa akin ko ang bukong?
Second tape na. So, punta tayo sa Roblox. Alam ko na may ano dito, in this world. Nalaro ko na nga, pero hindi ko nilalaro kasi nahirapan ako. 6! Please, bilisan mo. Ay. Ayan ito. Dandy's role play. Please learn Greek. So, punta na tayo dito si Dandy. Oh my goodness. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari kay Dandy pagka hindi tayo bumili sa kanya. Kasi sabi, magiging may magkakaroon ng red dot sa mata ni Dandy. Yes. Kalimutan ko talaga yung mga lines ko dito Hoy. Ang lagi naman! Ba't lagi? Yun yung pangalan ko. Ba't lagi? Panda. Panda. This is not real. Oh my goodness, this is not real. Brightening sprout. Leave na tayo. Wait, tingnan muna natin yung mga utsura. Si Bristini, wow. I love good. Yes. Ayan yung mga twisted nila. So, hindi ko alam. 5 ba to? 5, 10, 15, 20. Sabi nila 21 Kalimutan ko kung sino si Sprout. Hindi nga ito yun. Ano ito? Yung iba to. So, leave na tayo. Leave. Okay. Ay, naku. Ba't ko i-play? May nag-act sa akin. Tulong. Ay, wala na. Ito yung totoo, guys. So, yes, ito yung totoo, guys. Totoo. Blush Crunch Studio. Tawal naman na ito. Teka lang. Gusto ko lang ito. Ito naman yan. Oh, the pretty girl talk like this. Please, bilisan mo. Yay! Welcome to Dandy's World. Oy, ba't ako si Papi? Kinakamay ko na lang ito, guys. Anong ginagawa nila? I want to see. Hello. Pasok please ako. Hi there, welcome to my shop. Hindi naman eh! Hello? Oh my goodness. Bro, alam ko na tinali niya yung kamay niya. Oh my goodness. Hanap tayo ng kasama, hanap tayo ng kasama. Wait lang, wait lang! Wait lang. Buti umabot ako. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung Abinidos. Please, bilisan mo. Wala! Ang gulit ano. Ayun na. Dato lang. Saan yung ano ko, mouse ko? Ayun. Yay! Welcome to Daddy's World. Yun lang. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ayun na. Ayun na, magsa-start tayong round natin. Ayun, Camille. At intermission. Wait lang. Ano ba to? Ba't palagi nangyari ito sa akin, ha? Ako yung syukoy ka. Okay, tatlo lang tayo, no? Ano? Parang ayaw ko na agad dito. Hindi pa tayo magkaka-jumps dito. Hindi tayo makaka-jump dito. Ayun. Layas na ako. No! Sama tayo. Sama. Oh no. Sorry. Roger! I'm walking slowly right now. Oh no. Somebody's coming for me. Help me. Oh no. Miss tayo. No! Oh my goodness. Ayaw ko na dito. Help me. Ayun, wala na. Dito na tayo. Hindi ko na natin ang wala. Oh, sige. Beer stats. Ay, naku. Butik ka. Nagulat ako sa iyo. Kala ko twisted. Nagulat pa talaga ako. Wow. What the heck? Alam ko na narinig niya yun. I-revenge nyo guys. Hindi, wala akong pera. Kato money. Ano? Sabihin na natin. Ano? Among Us yung sana. Wait lang, mouse cue. No. Yan, send. Ano? Di kita Yes. Ano pa? Bukas. Ano pa bukas? Saturday naman bukas. Oh no! May twisted po tayo nakita. Yes. Wala akong pake. Tara na. Ako na dito. Doon naman siguro na tara po sa video ko. Gusto nyo ng part 2. Just like and subscribe and comment part 2. Goodbye.